What's going on, guys? It's your boy Sparta back with a brand new video here. I got here the Grus drone here from JJRC. I recently did a video for it of the unboxing of it. So now I'm about to do this specific video specifically just for me of flying it around for a little bit, what it can do, what it cannot do. But first things first, make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you give it a thumbs up and to hit that notification button. I'm going to leave the description link in below to get this specific drone if you want. It's real cheap, get it off of Amazon. It's like 40 bucks. So I'm gonna fly this bad boy around. Let's do it. Okay guys, I got everything working. So I got here the video quality I'm seeing here. Not the best video quality, but you know, something better than nothing. It is what it is. But pretty much had to go through some troubleshooting. This is here to start the propellers. We got the propellers going. And let's see, we get lift off. And we got lift off. Alright. We looking good. We looking good. Oh, don't let the wind take it now. We're looking good. Oh. Let's go to the left here. Alright, a little wind in our situation. But we're looking good. It's fighting against the wind. I'm gonna tell you this. Do not fly in strong winds with this. This thing will take it, boy. Good thing it's a cheap drone. But for now, keep it low. It has a nice little stability to it. As long as there's no strong winds, it'll stay where it's at. So that's not so bad. It's not too crazy. You got the lights in the front. Oh, you could turn them off too by the button. Look. Hey, hello. Just by press, you turn off and on the lights. Look at that. Just by pressing this right here that says lights on it. I'm gonna turn them off. Save some power. Well, my mother telling me what to eat, something I'm hungry. So it ain't too bad. Go a little clamps around it, but it's not that bad. It's not really a bad drone. This is a drone like you wanna, you know, play around with it, flying around the backyard, especially if you have plenty of room in the back like I do, and and just mess with it, play with the kids with it, fly around, spins around, not a problem. You know, I'm doing everything by hand. There you go. That's off. Let me turn it back, and it will keep going. There's no sensors. There's no nothing. There's no sensor on this thing. On like a stable. It has a built-in GPS to stabilize it. That's it. But that's pretty much it. That's what we're looking at right now. And the material of the controller is so freaking cheap. It's like mad plasticky. I was mentioning about it. The video quality is trash, but you know, it's a fun little toy to fly around. And let me see how high it goes. Alright, so I would say about 12 feet, 15 feet. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna bring it back down before the wind takes it away. And there we have it. You know, if you're bored, you're in quarantine, you want to fly around your backyard, it's an easy cop. Buy it just to mess around with. But you ain't doing no drone photography, videography with this thing. I'm gonna tell you that much. But hope you guys like this, enjoy it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button for new videos coming up, because I'm doing straight videos almost every day. Stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.